Oh.
Hello! Kami yung bibisitahin namin yung mga alaga namin, ay yung mga kapatid namin pala
namin.
sa ano.
Ang ganda dito, River
Wow.
Safari.
Very nice.
Ang ingay mo. Ikaw lang ang maingay kanina.
Ako lang ba? Hindi ko na, sorry naman kasi
Yan po yung dalawa. Super enjoy po yung dalawa.
oh, sobra. Ang ganda kasi dito. Tapos, you
First
know,
time po nila sa bundok. Yan
oh, yung,
po.
ay, yung mga kapatid ko, oh. Andyan yung mga kapatid ko. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride. Your left is on
Oh my God!
They
Andyan.
can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch. High up in the trees on your right is the white-faced Saki monkey. Because of their ability to leap large distances, they are known as the flying monkey.
Flying Spider-Man. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Oh my God.
Yan po yung mga kasama namin.
Kasama namin sa
Madali.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large?
Dalawa.
That's the giant ant eater. Look out for the
Oh
sharp
my
claws.
God.
They're used to big
What is that?
Hiding among the grass is the Amazon's tallest canine.
Where?
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed
Hindi
monkeys.
mo nakita na?
They
Ano yun? Anong meron mo?
This helps them climb trees better.
Oh, dito kami. Grabe. Pababa na naman to. Makakasigaw na naman ako ng malakas. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ang sarap. Nako? Ano meron doon? Oh, what is that? Brazilian. Ano yan?
Super enjoy yung dalawa.
Cotton top tamarind. Where is? Oh. What is that? Jaguars?
Jaguar ka dyan. Oh.
Jaguars yung nakalagay.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shaman, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Shaman likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. It has a powerful bite that pierces its razor scar with its teeth.
Bakit may ilaw yung ano mo, nak?
Titanic. Sobrang saya. Ang saya-saya. Ang ganda na. Oh my God. Flamingo.
The flamingos are microscopic in the water.
Flamingo.
It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. His opposite are
Oh, what is this?
God's cousins when it comes to
Capybara.
and all the world's
Caribera. Oh my God, baboy. Baboy ramo. Masarap yan. Oh, baboy ramo. Oh, nandyan siya. Oo. Baboy ramo. My God. Sobrang ganda yung view. Oh, lamig.
We're now entering the realm of the starry items. These brilliantly colored birds use their beaks to hunt for small animals in the water. It's wild. The starry items gathered in
Oh, flaming scarlet ibis.
This gives them protection in the Well, explorers, I hope you have been enjoying your walks. If you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon.
What is this?
Have an amazing day at the reservoir.
Oh. Parang sa ano din to may boat sa Jurassic daw. Ay, tapos na ba dito?
Babay na nga.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Uy, tapos na.
Dito siya nagtatapos. Sir.